people, welcome back to another Worldschooling Calabria video blog, and today we've got a beautiful one for you. And these are finocchies. They are eaten in salads. Just get these, clean them up, wash them, chop them up, season them, and you can eat them just like that, okay? Inside you've got to clean it. Finocchies. Today we're planting, and we are doing Worldschooling Adventures planting. Okay, and I've got a picture for you. Look at that picture down there. Look, that's Dalia. This is our garage. We're cleaning up, making firewood. These are my dogs. I've got a picture for you. Okay, here at Worldschooling Calabria today. It's a beautiful day, and it's the 21st of September 2025. It's autumn, officially autumn. The olives are out. Hello!
Hello!
Olives are out. And we got a lot of work to do. So I'm repairing a fence. I'm helping in between. I'm videoing. When my daughter is tired, she sits on an olive case in the family organic garden. We're making the rows, and I will let my beautiful queen tell you what she's doing. Hello.
Hello.
Can you tell me briefly what you're doing today here at Worldschooling Calabria?
I'm putting concime.
Concime, what translate that into English? Fertilizer. Yeah. So after this we will come and put down the plants, no? And then from there we will water the plants, no? Yeah. Good, you can go and refill. Refill. Yes. So this is Biohumus Plus Letame. Okay. So letame is, in Italian, it is basically the animal dung, okay, from the goats, the sheep, etc. So what Dalia is doing is obvious now. You understand, you can see, but what you don't know is if she throws too much of the letame, the fertilizer, the concime, it will burn the plant roots, okay? So she's got to know what she's doing, and she does know what she's doing. See how she has spread it out all evenly, more or less here. There's not a concentration of fertilizer anywhere. Okay, see, it's just more or less evenly spread out, and it must not be concentrated because it will burn the plant roots. Okay, you have anything special you want to tell the people about your Worldschooling organic farming experience? Yeah, you can tell them what you want. I hope you like my farm. We're cleaning up for the olives, and we're planting our own organic stuff. And hello, young lady. Can you tell us something really beneficial before we sign off from this video for all the homeschooling, travel and Worldschooling moms and dads?
I think these kind of activities are worth a million indoor lessons.
Yes.
That's what I think. So we are working hard together. She's learning a lot about not only cultivating, but about science, about geography, about chemistry, and these kind of things. So she's not only a young farmer, but she's also a big learner. So we are trying to maximize the space in this winter vegetable garden, because we are not gonna sow seeds or plant around the farm because the weather is not
Autumn.
Yeah, autumn winter vegetable garden. So we are maximizing the space, so instead of stretching the lines
So there you go. It's also something very constructive for family bonding and for the children to do on weekends. If you notice, our daughter is out here planting. She's not sitting down watching a cell phone. Okay? Yeah, and she is also disciplined, doing something constructive on a Sunday with the family, giving life planting to plants, planting her own organic vegetable garden. And she's been doing this pretty much from she was 5 years old. She's 9 now. We didn't get her started early, but when she was born, she was here about 3 days after? Yeah, so she is here all her life, okay? And we don't live here. This is where we have Worldschooling Calabria programs, okay? Like kids survival programs, family survival, world schooling adventures and lessons, and taking trips around in southern Calabria, Italy, to some of the best Italian family travel destinations and things like this. We do these things in our spare time and as a regular part of our world schooling programs, okay? So remember to like, share and subscribe, leave your comments if it's at the website. If you need to contact us, you can contact us with our contact form or email us at admin@worldschoolingcalabria.com. Until next time, say bye everyone.
Bye.